Out by the coast and along the fjords, teeming with fish, through the centuries the Sámi have supported themselves with what the sea provides, often combined with a small agricultural holding. New times have brought with them more competition for existing resources. Quota regulations and greater demands for profitability have meant the end for many fishing boats. Many in the Sámi community believe that this is the result of a failed regional and fisheries policy.
The reason why an increasing number of sea Sámis are deprived their customary and indigenous right to fish is that the Norwegian authorities obviously don't accept them as Sámis.
A new and foreign species, the Alaskan king crab, has provided a modest financial boost for those fishermen who are licensed to catch them. At the same time, however, the king crab has caused a lot of problems for the traditional fjord fishing industry. Some of the best salmon rivers in the world are to be found in the area of the Sámi settlements. The rivers are still an important source of food and income. In particular, fishing for salmon in both sea and the rivers has had great cultural and economic importance.
I am born and I have grown up on the bank of the Tana River, and the salmon fishing I have inherited from my grandfather, who gave me the love to the Tana River and the fishing. But the salmon fishing is also about the ancient way of fishing and about harvesting a very important resource. I feel I have a kind of spiritual feeling to this fantastic river, which the Creator has given us as a gift to manage.
Countless mountain lakes in the interior of the country provide rich opportunities for freshwater fishing, which is an important subsidiary source of income and part of the utilization of resources in the region.
mine.